Alright, this is going to be a tutorial on how to change multiple card backs at the same time for any deck of any size. It's going to use the app Notepad++, so if you're going to be using this tutorial, make sure to download Notepad++. Very simple app, completely free. It's going to help us to edit one of the JSON files that we're going to be finding in this tutorial. So the first thing we want to do is go ahead and find the deck that we want to copy and import that. So we're going to go ahead and import this. Right, we're going to make sure that our deck list is correct here. So we have our correct deck list, sure. We're going to go ahead and save that object. I'm going to actually save this into my full decks folder. We're going to make this the Giants Toot for Giants tutorial. And then once we have that object saved, we can see that if we go into saved objects, we go to full decks, we find the Giants Toot. We can generate that deck and it will have all the same card backs as typical for Metasu. So now that we have that option saved here, go ahead, delete them. We will open File Explorer. In this case, we're going to go to Documents. We're going to go to the My Games folder. We're going to go to Tabletop Simulators folder, go to the Saves folder, Saved Objects folder, and then find the subfolder that it's in, or if it's in the root folder, it would actually generate just here. I'm going to this area, and then I'm going to find the JSON file for the deck I'm looking for. So we're going to go ahead and right-click that, and we're going to edit that with Notepad++. It'll give us the full use for window here so that we can find the information we need to find. So you're going to want to press Control F to open the Find window, and we're going to click the Replace tab. Typically, the Replace tab's not going to generate anything in those two lines, and this is where you're going to start. So we're going to want to type in back with a capital B, URL, capital, and we're going to find next. This is going to bring us to the card back URL here on the screen. And what we're going to do is actually copy the information in between these two quotation marks. And we're going to copy that and place that here in the find what section. And then we're going to want to find what we're going to replace it with. So in this case, we'll go to the website in which we will find our card back. So I picked this card back, this cute little MapleStory character. We're going to actually want to either, you can open image in a new tab. And you're going to want to copy the URL for that image on this page. And we're going to place that URL into the replace with dialog box. And then actually hit replace all here. You can then close this folder. Close that dialog box, and then you can press Control S or save it with the file save option, and then you can close this out. And then without actually even needing to restart Tabletop Simulator, you can load that object up, and all of those cards in that deck will actually have the card back that you're looking for. So let's click that, and you can see here that I'm going to go ahead and spread this bad boy. We're going to flip them over, and all the cards are going to have the same back now. So quick, super simple process instead of having to do them individually. And you can actually see as well that it does not cause that weird glitch in which the image file is all just one big single card. All right, so that'll actually conclude this. Thanks for watching.